Hello, good people. Welcome to MK Kitchenette. If you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome to the gang. We appreciate you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's get to it. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade burgers, and we're going to make them dripping, tantalizing, gorgeous. You know it. So we're going to start off by dicing our onions, putting them into a pot, sauteing them in some oil, and then we're going to add some sugar, some cinnamon, and we saute for some minutes until they are ready. Now, if you're using two pans, the better for you, because you can cook two things at the same time, because you need to caramelize your onions, cook your burger patties, toast your bread, and cook your bacon if you have some. Now, after preparing all the food that has to be cooked, you get to the part where you have to prepare the raw food. That is the tomatoes, the lettuce, all those things. You have to tap them dry so that they don't make the buns soggy. It's not nice at all. And then you have to melt the cheese just a little bit. We melt the cheese by placing the cheese pieces on top of the already cooked burger patties. Now, after that, we go ahead and assemble the burger. Now, remember, you can always tweak your burger according to your own preference. Like on this case, I'll be putting cucumbers. Also, I don't like them that much. I'd highly recommend that you skip them. But if you do like them, you can add them. That's why I'm saying, if you prefer something, you include it. If you don't, well and good. I always prefer to start with the raw food and then we add the cooked food later. Okay, now we started by putting some mustard, some hot and sweet, some lettuce, then I added the cucumber. I then went ahead, put some tomatoes. Also remember, you have to pat them dry. As I said, you don't want to make the buns soggy. After putting on the raw ingredients, you're then going to put your caramelized onions, and after that, a tomato if you prefer, and then you put your burger patty together with the cheese. Then I went ahead and added some bacon. Remember, if you don't have bacon, it's well and good. You don't have to make it the way I've made mine. You can always put whatever you have. Like if you don't like bacon, if you don't have bacon, no pressure. If you prefer eggs, well and good. This is what we made and it looks really delicious. Now, if you want yours to be really loaded, equal two burger patties, a lot of cheese, whatever you have, even the burger sauce, whatever you have, that's what you're going to make. We served ours with some fries and it was really delicious. I do hope that you're going to try this recipe, and please remember to tell me how it goes on the comment section. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye bye, guys.